That's the female bluebird. We have the cardinal over there. Oh, the damn mockingbird. Hey, Wren. Who was that flew right in front of me? It was a pine warbler, wasn't it, Wren? I saw it too. Oh, you better hurry. Look, I got both of them right there. Who's going to get it first? My pine warbler. They're eating that soot out of there.